Why septic tanks fail, solid waste accumulation explained. Septic tanks are built to manage wastewater quietly and reliably. Yet many systems fail because of one common issue, solid waste accumulation. When solids overwhelm the tank, efficiency drops, and the entire system can collapse. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. How solid waste builds up. Inside the tank, solids sink to form sludge while lighter materials float as scum. Over years, these layers grow thicker. If not pumped out, the sludge reduces space for wastewater and begins to disrupt the system's natural flow. 2. The role of bacteria. Healthy bacteria break down waste. However, when solids are excessive, bacteria cannot keep pace. The result is incomplete decomposition, leaving heavy residue that accelerates buildup and clogs the system. 3. Drain field blockage. As the tank fills with solids, wastewater exits too quickly, carrying debris into the drain field. This causes blockages that stop proper absorption. Once clogged, wastewater may back up into the home or surface in the yard. 4. Warning signs of failure. Slow or gurgling drains. Strong odors indoors or outdoors. Wet patches or pooling near the drain field. Frequent need to plunge toilets or sinks. These are clear signals that solid waste has compromised the tank. 5. How to prevent septic tank failure. Regular pumping. Remove sludge every 3 to 5 years before it overwhelms the tank. Limit non-biodegradable waste. Avoid flushing wipes, plastics, or grease. Balanced water use. Spread laundry and water-heavy tasks across the week. Routine inspections. Professional checks can detect early warning signs. Most septic tank failures are not sudden, they are the result of years of solid waste accumulation. By scheduling pumping, monitoring water use, and responding quickly to warning signs, homeowners can extend the life of their septic systems. Preventive care costs far less than replacing a failed system, making vigilance the best protection. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.